So there's a lot of excitement for Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. The company is expected to unveil the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Galaxy Z Flip 3 next month. There have been quite a few leaks already concerning these devices. It goes without saying that foldable smartphones are expensive. That's to be expected from the upcoming models as well. However, we're now hearing some good news. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Galaxy Z Flip 3 will be cheaper than their predecessors. Samsung launched the Galaxy Z Flip in February 2020. The handset was priced at $1,380 at launch. The Galaxy Z Fold 2 arrived in September 2020 for $1,999. The upcoming devices were expected to be in the same price range. What we're hearing now gives Samsung fans much to be excited about. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Galaxy Z Flip 3 will be up to 20% cheaper than their predecessors, so you're looking at an almost $400 price cut on the top-of-the-line foldable. That's a substantial reduction on a device that's most certainly going to be better than the Galaxy Z Fold 2. Making foldable smartphones cheaper is key to getting more people to switch to these next-generation devices. Those who may not have been able to justify a $2,000 purchase might find value in spending $1,600 on a Galaxy Z Fold 3. The exact pricing is not known at this point in time, but the expected price cut range is promising. Pricing will also vary by country. Samsung is also going to offer new promos with generous pre-order incentives to customers who purchase the new foldable. A rumor from a few months ago claimed that the clamshell foldable will switch to a mid-range chipset and that there will be 4G only in 5G versions. The original 4G Flip started at $1,380. The 5G model that came later started at $1,450. This means the Z Flip 3 could be priced in the $1,100 to $1,200 range. The device is rumored to bring various improvements over its predecessor, including an under-display selfie camera that will make the foldable display devoid of any punch hole cutout or notch. According to Ice Universe, the under-display selfie camera on the Galaxy Z Fold 3 will have 40% higher light transmittance when compared to under-display cameras on existing smartphones. It means that the camera can absorb more light, leading to relatively brighter images and videos with less noise. However, the part of the screen above the camera might display a mosaic pattern as visible in the image, especially when there's a white background. Smartphone is rumored to feature the Snapdragon 888 processor, 12GB, 16GB RAM, and 256GB, 512GB internal storage. It has a 6.2-inch Super AMOLED Infinity O cover display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a punch hole cutout for the selfie camera. The internal 7.5-inch foldable Super AMOLED display with QHD Plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. Both screens could have HDR10 Plus certification. The device is also rumored to be compatible with an S Pen. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 will have an IP rating for dust and water resistance. It will have a 10MP selfie camera under the cover display and a 16MP selfie camera under the foldable display. At the rear, the smartphone could feature a triple camera setup with a 12MP wide-angle camera, a 12MP ultra-wide camera, and a 12MP telephoto camera with 2x optical zoom. All cameras should be capable of recording 4K 60 frames per second videos. That is all for now, guys, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.